The mystery behind Leg Day, Unveiled. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a popular English phrase you might have come across in the world of fitness and exercise, leg day. Curious to know more? Let's jump right in. Leg day is a phrase that originates from the world of bodybuilding and fitness. In simple terms, it refers to a day dedicated specifically to exercising the muscles of the legs. Just as one might have a day for arms, chest, or back exercises, leg day is the day when focus is placed solely on the legs. This includes muscles like the quads, hamstrings, calves, and glutes. You might have come across memes or jokes around leg day on social media. It has a reputation, and there's a reason for that. Leg day is known to be tough. The legs house some of the body's largest muscle groups, so working them out can be very challenging. Some people might skip leg day to avoid the exertion, or the subsequent muscle soreness, leading to phrases like, "never skip leg day," to emphasize its importance. Understanding a phrase is one thing, but using it in conversation? That's the real test. Here are a few ways to use leg day. 1. I can hardly walk after leg day at the gym yesterday. 2. You've got impressive calf muscles. You must never skip leg day. 3. Tomorrow's leg day for me, so I'm mentally preparing myself. So there you have it. Leg day isn't just a phrase. It's a testament to the world of fitness and the dedication of those who brave the challenge. We hope you found this explainer useful, and the next time you hear someone talk about leg day, you'll know exactly what they mean. Keep learning and stay curious.